When local authorities make certain decisions about the education and/or training of a child or young person with special educational needs, there is a right of appeal to the first-tier tribunal, sometimes referred to as the SEN tribunal. To be able to appeal, you must be a parent or a young person over the age of 16. You have the right to appeal to the SEN tribunal if the local authority refuses to carry out an EHC Needs Assessment or reassessment, refuses to issue an EHC plan, issues or changes an EHC plan, but you disagree with. Section B, Special Educational Needs. Section F, Support and Provision. Section I, the named school or setting. Decides not to amend the EHC plan after an annual review. Decides to stop the EHC plan altogether. The letter issued to you with the local authority's relevant decision or final EHC plan contains information on your rights of appeal. It will set out information about mediation, including time limits, contact details, availability of disagreement resolution services, information and advice regarding educational needs of children and young people with SEND and/or disability. Before bringing an appeal to the SEN tribunal, you must consider mediation. This does not mean that mediation is compulsory, but it must be considered. You do not have to consider mediation if you are claiming disability discrimination or your dispute with the local authority only relates to placement. The first thing to do is make a note of the deadline for making an appeal. You must send the appeal form to the SEN tribunal within 2 months of the date of the decision you are appealing or the final EHC plan, or 1 month from the date you obtain a mediation certificate, whichever is the latter. The first-tier tribunal's preferred method of communication is email. Write "New Appeal" in the subject line to ensure it is dealt with quickly. These contact details can be found on the appeal form. You will need to fill in an appeal form. Make sure you are using the right form, depending on whether the appeal or claim concerns a child or a young person. The most common forms used are SEND 35, Appeal the local authority's decision about child or young person, and SEND 35A, Refusal to assess. This is where you set out why you think the local authority's decision is wrong, or why the contents of the EHC plan need to change. Try to put in everything you need to say, your full case at this point. As much as possible, you should try to get together any supporting evidence to submit with your appeal form. In your reasons for appeal, you should refer to this evidence to support your arguments. Don't worry if you don't have everything ready to send straight away. You can submit more evidence after you've registered your appeal. You must send in enough information for the local authority to be able to respond. With the completed and signed form, send the SEN tribunal the following: a copy of the letter the local authority sent you that told you of its decision, your mediation certificate, the evidence supporting your arguments, a list of all the documents enclosed with the application. Top tip: put your evidence in chronological order and then write out a list explaining what each document is. Don't send original documents. Send photocopies or scans. Keep a copy of everything you send, including the form. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We are here to assist you with any SEND-related queries.